Mugirango Steve Mogaka ni gaberga kubuli bono aba tenende bechisemi kone kibuna nkonyara kubwaterana asensemi yuna kone kibuna aboroki wabonse mayigo yoko ruchi skuru nkanda bara achi skuru gukona kurwa sensemi yuni gubo iganya reka kubuli abagambe abayigomo nabakonyi babo kone kina kubwaterana barasa aboroki wabonse kogendera asechi skuru iko chenga kenyara kubuli abalimu abana bechi skuru aane mono korase bunge ya West Mugirango kone kibuna ambali ko baselya aboroki wane go chikuye skuru fise asekerengabuna ni gomento gosangamo na boiboli Kolengana Mogaka ukona kurenseme ibo igoni nganyare kubuli abayiboli bali batari no konyora bane kibuna ngotara barachio bisi ya CDF ase bunge ya West Mugirango iriko nyara konyoro bokonyi ekera bana bakwira nase chiskuru
sababu ntake tokole na chief na assistant chiefs baga emechiete nyare tinemanyire daine tigamba tai for free otaile tio mwana school otaba yatio mwana Egakwera no yo ichike ligote bubu atwogende chera. And I want to plead with the DCC to implore our children's department to wake up and make sure that every child is given an opportunity to go to school for whatever reason. And I'm giving my guarantee as member of parliament that no child should be sent home because of school fees. Tafadhali, and I'm repeating this to my principals, don't send a child home, because when we do that, that child misses contact hours with the teachers, and that will manifest itself in the ultimate result that child will post, and it will not be a good result. Igonya nchere Asechi school chia na chia gwodye aba alimu muma etobisi yane